This fix will instantly stop FPS drops in Valorant, 100% working. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you this fix that will instantly stop FPS drops in Valorant. First, open My PC on your computer, and then open the local disk C drive. Inside this drive, look for the Riot Games folder and double-click to open it. From here, navigate to the Valorant folder. Once you are inside, open the Live folder. Next, go into the Shooter Game folder, then select Binaries, and after that, click on the Win64 folder. Now scroll down until you find the file named Shipping or simply Valorant Win64. Right-click on this file and from the drop-down menu select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, you will see an option for disable full-screen optimizations. Make sure to check this box. Once you have done that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. That's it. This simple tweak helps reduce input lag and fix FPS drops in Valorant, giving you a smoother and more consistent gameplay experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.